Hi, my name is Gina and I am a survivor of the Route 91 Harvest Festival shooting. The short version of my story is I work for MGM and I was on the ground that night as essentially serving as a first responder while in the middle of just being at work when all hell broke loose. That, along with some other significant loss that year in 2017, has really impacted my day-to-day abilities. Suffered from horrific PTSD, which was hard to admit, as well as I think just general anxiety. Pretty high functioning, but not functioning at a very high level, I guess, ultimately from an emotional standpoint. But through the persuasion and convincing of some extremely amazing people in my life, I was given the gift of coming to see Dr. Wood yesterday. It has been about 24 hours, actually, and we had a really amazing session yesterday. I admit I was a little skeptical and didn't completely understand what we were going to be doing, but I can tell you that 24 hours later, even that day, I felt a tremendous weight lifted off me. I felt clarity and clear. I think that the best way to describe how I feel today, 24 hours later, is I have a completely different outlook on things. I feel optimistic. I feel very, I feel like I'm going to function again. And I think it's amazing how much I wasn't functioning. And I feel such a tremendous difference physically today, as well as mentally and obviously emotionally. Going through some other big changes in my life with the move and some job changes and whatnot. And normally those things would really probably have me extremely irritable, terribly anxious, and unable to focus, as well as I think just generally have a pretty bad attitude about everything, making it miserable for me, but also miserable for other people that I'm around. And I woke up feeling hopeful today. I woke up feeling pretty joyous. I felt light and free and happy, which is crazy. I feel like the person that I've been missing for the last couple of years is back, and I'm really excited that she's here. So I'm excited to start the online reinforcement and the follow-up of the program, because I just want to be able to continue to take this feeling and apply it to everything. I think some really great things are ahead of me, and I think now that I'm in a clear headspace and have the right attitude, but more importantly have found a way to reset my thinking pattern and apply it to the rest of my life, I think it's going to be great. So I want to thank Dr. Wood, and I want to thank Jess Holland for being such an amazing friend and helping me get to a place where I could heal. So I'm excited, and I'm very grateful for this program, and really would like other people that are suffering from any type of trauma or loss. Doesn't matter what it is, it can be changed. So you can live a much better, fuller, happier life. So I'm excited. Look forward to being an advocate and to encouraging other people to take control back. Thank you so much.